Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Odyssey cabin air filter. This simple task can be completed in about 5 to 10 minutes, saving you money on dealership service. You will need a new cabin air filter, which typically costs between $10 and $30. Begin by opening your glove box and removing all items. Then, detach the small dampener arm on the right side and gently push in the glove box sides to fully lower it. With the glove box lowered, you will see the cabin air filter housing. It is usually a black plastic cover. Look for 2 small clips, one on each side of this housing. Gently pinch both clips inward simultaneously to release the cover. Once the cover is off, you can carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Notice its condition. It often collects a significant amount of debris. Before inserting your new filter, observe the airflow arrow on the old one. It typically points downwards. Your new filter will also have an arrow indicating airflow. Make sure this arrow points in the same direction as the old one, usually towards the floor. Carefully slide the fresh cabin air filter into the housing until it is fully seated and flush. This ensures proper air filtration for your vehicle's interior. Now, reattach the filter housing cover, pressing firmly until both clips audibly click into place. Next, lift the glove box, gently pushing in on the sides to allow it to clear the stops and return to its normal position. Reconnect the dampener arm on the right side by hooking it back into its slot. Finally, close your glove box. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.